All right, so I want to talk a little bit about VS Code and extensions that you might find helpful. I've downloaded VS Code to my computer, so I wanted to introduce to you this concept of extensions. So if you go to the side here, you'll find there's this little thing that says extensions. It has what I have installed. Both of these, Live Server and Live Server Preview, do the same thing, but they present it in different ways. Live Server will open up a browser window that allows for you to see your pages. And for Live Server Preview, it'll be the same. It's except that you can have it side by side. So this is opening a new one, and this is side by side within the VS Code software. So we'll test out both of them. For downloading the extensions, or not really downloading, but installing them, I should say, you'll search for them. So you can type in live. And there's so many types of things like this, Live Server. There's also other types of server software, but these are the ones that I have used. So Live Server, and then Live, so this first one, and then Live Server Preview, which you can see here at the bottom there. And this works for HTML. This should work for pretty much everything. So let me go back to my document under my Explorer. I'm in my index file. Here's my index file, and a shortcut to get just some template code in is exclamation point and tab, and then that puts in a lot of that boilerplate code in there for you. I'm going to go ahead and create just something to say. So alrighty. And then with that, there's those two extensions that I want to kind of show off. So the first one is the Live Server. So I'll go to right click anywhere within my page, and I'll say open with Live Server. And then it opens it, and it opens it up in my Chrome, which is my preferred web browser. So there's that. That's pretty cool. And, of course, if you want to do something like this, you can do that. But again, just a way of previewing your code without going back to the file and opening it up. So another thing is that you can do is use the Live Server Preview software. And what that does, and let me just go back to the extensions. Let me just show you here. For Live Server Preview, you should be able to just click F1 on your keyboard and then hit show Live Server Preview. So let's try it. And I'll close the screen here. Okay, so F1 on my keyboard. Oops. And I'm on a laptop, so I had to hit function F1 for that. And you can see that I just recently used this, so show Live Server Preview, and it will show or populate here as well. So this is actually pretty cool. So I can keep going. And you can see that it's updating at the same time as I type. So I think that's kind of powerful information. So you can see what you're doing as you go along. This is going to be helpful for links and all of the images, all of that great stuff. So I hope that you found this small tutorial helpful, and I hope that these tools will help you when you are creating your website. So I'm going to command save or file save to make sure that this point is saved. And I will see you in the next video, or if you don't see me, you'll see the videos that I've found that will aid you in copying over your website. Thanks so much, and I'll see you later.